Okay, here is the entrance. The big atrium, the building there, that's where you come in through that into the gardens where we're at here. You can see the big pond. To the left and the right is all the rose garden that has been here since 1937. And this big gazebo that I'm standing in here. We can go back probably a little further. It's pretty big. Has been here since 1937 as well. This is the original part of the garden from the very large building up there in the hill that hopefully you can see. So it's pretty old. So we'll go in the building later. There's a butterfly room in there and other things. So walk around outside here a little bit and see this. We can take a walk over here through the children's garden first. Or well, better yet, let's go over here first and get all the way around the pond. And then we'll do part 2 or part 3 of the children's garden. There's the big building up top there. Honestly, I don't know what that is. Okay. Thousands of roses in here. You can get the overview of what Hershey, the town, quick. I guess they would hold events or something up here. That's what it looks like. Way over there's the hospital. There's the Hershey Bear and the Giant Stadium. This is all Chocolate World over here, Hershey Park. Hershey Zoo's over that way. And the theater, you can see across the way, that big, huge building. Yeah. Okay, we'll go to the children's side. Children's garden section over here. Seems to be a lot of people here. We'll go on the other side. Alright, I think it's pretty crowded in there. We'll just go past that. You can see some here. We'll head to the Japanese garden here. How y'all doing?
Good.
Good. That's a big bonsai tree. This was a pond, but they're fixing it for repairs. And let's see over here. You can see it would have been a pretty big pond. This is called the Outer Path. Arboretum Trail. And we'll go through the rock garden here. Should be. Let's take a pause here. Here's where we're at.